Hey guys, Hamza here from Unity Performance. Unity FE1 over here. We've done a bunch of mods to it, but today, as you can tell, the exhaust is missing. Why is that? Well, we've got the MBRP on the ground. It's been stellar exhaust this entire season. We've had it on since May with the middle resonated section, but now that we discovered that we have the Unity FE1, Junaid's Unity FL1, and the Civic's DE4 Integra, all in the same exhaust, we felt why not time to switch it up a little bit, get some more diversity, because we love hands-on experiences with the parts that we sell. So enter the Invidia N1. This is a brand new exhaust that not a lot of shops, even a lot of people currently have experience with. So let Unity bring it to you first. Let's unbox this bad boy, see what we're working with. All right. Really well packaged from Nvidia. To make sure when these are making the trek over, they're not damaged. So a couple of soft foam packages, throw those to the side. Got our hardware kit, including the gaskets. Put those to the side as well. Let me see what I can pick out first. Okay, this is one of the rear pipe sections. Put that to the side. Sorry if my voice is a little bit coarse right now, just a little under the weather, but we're pulling through. We've got the rear muffler, rear pipe, and rear tips in here, so we're gonna unbox those afterwards. And the second one it's the dual tip exhaust. Got the Y pipe that goes to both ends. Nice little Nvidia plaque on there. Cool attention to detail. All right, and this connects from the end of the front pipe to back. We've got a nice size middle resonate over there. I always prefer exhaust with resonators. It helps reduce the in-cabin drone. So there's that, and there's one more item over here, which, oh, these are, if I'm not mistaken, these are like baffles. Yeah, these are silencers for the mufflers. Very cool. We haven't seen these for a 10th gen exhaust. So essentially, in the rear muffler, you're able to put these center silencers to make it even quieter. Very cool. I did not expect that, so we're definitely going to show you how those sound like as well. Okay, so check this out. Front pipe, back, this is where the exhaust starts. Flange connects all the way. Middle resonator over here, we always want to keep this. Then we have the pipe that connects over to the T-pipe, which then goes over to each of the individual tips. So we showed you before, these are the silencers that go inside the tip. So we have each of the rear mufflers with a tip. You can see over here, so this one's not installed yet, and you can see you can use the nut and bolt tool underneath there. And we'll go to the other tip because we have installed it on that side without the nut and bolt, but that's what it looks like in there. So it's gonna make the exhaust a little bit quieter just with one simple change. We're probably gonna keep it off, but we may try it just for testing purposes, both on and off, to see how it sounds like. Other than that, super simple install. Flanges make life a lot easier, and we've got the gaskets as well as nuts and bolts to put on, so everything should be nice and fresh.